In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave the beta program in Google Play. If you're currently enrolled in beta testing for an app or service through the Google Play Store and you want to opt out, this process is fairly simple once you know where to look. Beta programs usually give you early access to features, but they can also come with bugs or changes you may not want. So leaving the program can be a good idea if you prefer a more stable experience. To begin, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Make sure you're in the correct Google account if you use more than one, since beta participation is tied to the account you're using in the Play Store. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This opens the main account and settings menu for Google Play. From that menu, tap Settings. This is where Google Play keeps a variety of account, app, and device-related options. After entering Settings, tap General and then go to Account and Device Preferences. Depending on your device or Play Store version, these options may be slightly collapsed or grouped. So if you don't see everything immediately, just expand the section and keep going. Once you're in Account and Device Preferences, scroll down through the available options until you find Leave Beta Programs. Take your time here because this option can be lower on the page and easy to miss if you're scrolling quickly. When you find it, this section is where Google Play helps manage the beta programs connected to your account. From there, you can review the beta programs you're part of and proceed with leaving the one you no longer want to be enrolled in. Keep in mind that after leaving a beta program, it may take a little time for the change to fully apply. In some cases, you might also need to update or reinstall the app later to return to the regular public version, depending on how that app handles beta releases. If the option doesn't appear right away, a quick tip is to make sure your Play Store app is updated, since menu layouts can change over time. Also, remember that some beta enrollments are app-specific and may also be managed directly from that app's Play Store page, but the path shown here is the one to follow based on the current Play Store settings layout. And that's it. That's how to leave the beta program in Google Play quickly and easily.